kindergartners, it's me, Miss Belts, and we are going to work on math again today. Today is Tuesday, March 30th, 2021. Today we will sort different objects into like groups. How are we going to do this? Well, we will look at different shapes and sort them into different groups. And why are we going to do this? Well, it's important to be able to group objects that look the same. So let's get started. The first thing we're going to do is look at our important vocabulary. So we have 4 words today, but these are words that you should know. So the first word is circle. And remember, a circle is a flat, 2-dimensional shape. It does not have any straight sides. It does not have any vertices, and it has one really long curved line. The next word is triangle. A triangle is a flat, 2-dimensional shape, and it has 1, 2, 3 sides and 1, 2, 3 vertices. Our next word is square. Now remember, a square is a very special shape. So let's talk about the attributes of it first. So it is a flat 2D shape. It has 1, 2, 3, 4 sides. All of the sides are the same size. That's a really important thing to know for a square. So it has 4 sides that are the same size, and it has 4 vertices. Now, a square is also important because it is also a special kind of rectangle. So a rectangle is a flat 2-dimensional shape. It has 1, 2, 3, 4 sides, and it has 1, 2, 3, 4 vertices. Now a rectangle has to have 2 sides that are the same length. So this side and this side are going to be the same size, and this side and this side, or the top and the bottom, have to be the same size. So the top and the bottom are the same size, and this side and this side are the same size. So that's what makes it a rectangle. But that's also why a square can be called a rectangle, because the top and the bottom are the same size, and this side and this side are the same size. But a square has to have all of the same size sides. It's kind of hard to say. So a square is a special kind of rectangle. And that's going to be really important for us to know today. So I need your help again. I'm working on cleaning up my math 2D shape bucket. I honestly just throw them all in the bucket, and it's a big mess. But I need your help because I want to sort them all into the actual shapes. Do you think you can help me? I hope so. So let's look at them. Here are my shapes. So before we start, I want you to look. What shapes do you actually see? So just like we did yesterday, I want you to turn and talk to somebody, and I want you to tell them, what shapes do you see? All right, come back to me in 3, 2, 1. All right, eyes and ears on me. Okay, somebody tell me, what shape do you see? Whoa, that's a lot of shapes. I just see one shape at a time. So one shape that I heard was a triangle. So a triangle looks like this, or it could look like this, or it could look like this, or it could look like this. Okay, that's one shape. What's another shape you see? Yep, I heard somebody say circle. So I see a circle. I see 2 other shapes though. So another shape I see is a square. I saw a square too. So I see the square right here. And there's some other ones in there. And remember, a square has 4 sides, and all of the sides are the same size. And the last shape I see is a rectangle. So I see this rectangle. There's other ones, but I really see this one. And remember, a rectangle has to have the top and the bottom have to be the same size, and this side have to be the same size. So what we're going to do is we are going to actually put all of these into their own bucket so that we can use them and we don't have to search through them if we're looking for one shape. So I need your help. So I have 4 different buckets and I want to sort them all out. So let's look at this shape first. So since it's the first shape, it can go in any of the buckets that I want. So I'm going to go ahead and put it in the shape 1 bucket. Now my next shape is this one right here. Does it look the same as this one? This one has 1, 2, 3 sides. This one has 1, 2, 3, 4 sides. So is it going to go in shape 1 or do we need to put it into its own bucket? Yeah, we're going to put it in its own bucket. So here we go in shape 2. Alright, what about this shape? This shape doesn't have any straight sides. So is it going to go into shape 1, shape 2, or do we need to start another bucket? Hopefully you said it needs to go into another bucket because this doesn't look like either one of these shapes. What about this one? This one has 1, 2, 3, 4 sides. Did we have one that had 4 sides already? We did. Which one was it? Was it shape 1, shape 2, or shape 3? That's right, it was shape 2. So we are going to put this one in shape 2. Alright, what about this one? Let's see, how many sides does it have? 1, 2, 3, 4. Did we have one that had 4 sides? We did. So I can put this in shape 2, right? Because it has 4 sides? Works for me. What? I heard somebody say no, 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 no. Why would you say no? It has 4 sides. Do these look the same or do they look different? Turn and talk to somebody. All right, come back to me in 3, 2, 1. Eyes and ears on me. Okay, I heard somebody say, no, 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 Miss Phelps, that's not right. Well, it does have 4 sides, and technically, it is a rectangle, but it's a special kind of rectangle, and I want to make it its own category. So I'm going to put it in its own bucket. So I'm going to go ahead and move it over here to shape 4. All right, let's keep going. I have this shape. Where should it go? It has 1, 2, 3 sides. Should it go over here with the one that has no straight sides? No, that's silly. Which one has 3 sides? I'm going to put it over here in shape 1. Because both of these, even though they look different, they both have 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. They both have 3 sides. All right, next one is this orange shape. Is it going to go in shape 1, 2, 3, or 4? Hopefully you said shape 3 because it looks similar to this one. They're not the same size and they're not the same color, but they are the same shape. All right, what about this one? Where's it going to go? Turn and talk to somebody. Should it go in shape 2 or should it go in shape 4? All right, come back to me in 3, 2, 1. Eyes and ears on me. Where do you think it should go? Shape 2 or shape 4? Technically, they're both right, but we're going to be super, super specific, so it's going to go in shape 4. What about this shape? 1, 2, 3. It has 3 sides, so it's going to go into shape bucket number 1. What about this one? 1, 2, 3, 4. It has 4 sides, so I can put it over here, right? No. Why can't I put it over here? Oh, you're right. This is my special rectangle that has 1, 2, 3, 4 sides that are all the same size. That's also known as a square. This one, the sides are not all the same size. So it can't go in bucket number 4, so it has to go to bucket number, hopefully you said 2. All right, next shape. This one, it's going to go where? Hold up your fingers. 1, 2, 3, or 4. Where's it going to go? Hopefully you said shape 3. All right, what about this one? 1, 2, 3 sides. Is it going to go in bucket 1, 2, 3, or 4? Where's it going? Hopefully you said bucket 1. All right, what about this shape? It has 1, 2, 3, 4 sides. So we know it's either going to go in bucket 2 or bucket 4. Where's it going to go? Really look at the sides. Is it going to go in 2 or bucket 4? 2 or 4? Let's see if you're right. There it is in bucket 4. All right, what about this one? 1, 2, 3, 4 sides. Is it going to go in bucket number 2 or bucket number 4? 2 or 4? 2 or 4? Hopefully you said 2. All right, what about this one? Where's it going to go? Yeah, it's going in shape 3. All right, what about this one? It's a little different. It's kind of turned on its side. Is it going to go to bucket number 2 or bucket number 4? Or is it going to go in a different bucket? Let's see how many sides it has. 1, 2, 3, 4. Ooh, has 4 sides. So is it going to go in bucket 2 or bucket 4? Hopefully you said bucket number 4. So I don't want to just call them shape 1, shape 2, shape 3, or shape 4. I want to be really specific and actually put what they're called. So let's go over here. This is a triangle because it has 1, 2, 3 sides and 1, 2, 3 vertices. So 3 straight sides and 3 vertices. Shape 2, what can we call this shape? Yeah, it's a rectangle. And a rectangle has 4 straight sides and 4 vertices. A shape 3, I don't want to call it shape 3. What should I call it? That's right, I'm going to call it a circle. And a circle has 0 straight sides. It has 1 curved side, but 0 straight sides. And it has 0 vertices. And my last one is a square. And remember, a square is a special kind of rectangle. It has 4 straight sides, but they all have to be the same size. And it also has 4 vertices. So let's review what we talked about today. Today, we sorted different objects into like groups. We looked at how different shapes and we sorted them into different groups. How did we sort them? Yeah, we sorted them by their shape name. And we did this because it's important to be able to look at to look at objects that are in the same group. So here's what you're going to do today. Today you are going to have this page. The first thing it says is in this box to circle all the triangles. So you're going to circle all of the triangles. The second box says to circle all the rectangles. Be careful because we know that a square is a special kind of rectangle. So if you see any squares, you need to circle them too. The next one says to circle shapes with 0 straight sides. So if it doesn't have any straight sides, you're going to circle it. And the last one says to circle the shapes with 3 or more vertices. So if it has 3 or more vertices, you are going to circle it. And remember, the vertices are where the 2 sides come together. Okay? When you're done circling everything, make sure you take a picture and you upload it to Google Classroom. If you have any questions, ask your teacher, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye.